Alright guys, it is me, Simone. In this video I'm going to do a giveaway. Woo woo woo. So I have a giveaway celebrating 400 subscribers. That's 4,400. 400 subscribers. I'm very excited. I know I'm a little bit past that, but I've been making this for like here and there. I think when I got really close to 400 I started making this. I want to do a little small giveaway to you guys to say thank you for watching my videos and commenting and liking and sharing, etc, etc. So I want to do this little giveaway. Let me show you guys what you're going to get, and then I'll go over the rules at the end. So you're going to get this little flat mail record holder album and these little pages. I just decorated them real quick for you guys. I haven't finished the back page yet. And that's a record holder, so the little string you see here is actually little records. So there you go. You get these little cute little records, and they hold embellishments on them. Little handmade embellishments for you guys. So here's another one. And the next one. So these are sparkly little record players, or records, not record players, records. Gosh, that you can use. And so I thought that'd be really cute for you guys, and I love the idea. And of course, I will make a video showing you how to make this if you guys are curious. All right. So how do you enter this giveaway? Really simple. Of course, this giveaway is open international. Since I am doing flat mail, I can ship this to international people, and it won't cost me, you know, an arm and a leg to do it. So I will open this to international. Of course, if you're international, you are responsible for any duties or tax that you have to pay on this packaging when it comes to you. So keep that in mind. So it is international and US. Go for it, guys. Of course, you have to be subscribed to this channel. This is only for my subscribers, so of course subscribe, like this video, and then comment below what you like to see on my channel, what you love seeing on my channel, what you want to see more of, or just things you want me to do, etc. It does not matter, just anything of that nature. What you want to see more of, what you like seeing, what do you want me to do, etc, etc. And please, I ask you to be as descriptive as possible, just to help me out so I can make the videos you guys want to see. That's it. So that's it. Like the video, subscribe, must be a subscriber, and then of course you must comment below what you want to see on my channel, what you like seeing, etc, etc, and this will be yours. So I'm very excited. I really wanted to do a giveaway with my international peeps in mind. I know I have a couple people here who watch my channel who are from Germany and etc. that I talked to during one of my live streams that I've done. So I would love to give everybody a chance to win some cute goodies. So I did keep this kind of flat, like flat mail. I know if it's under, at my place, if it's under 3/4 of an inch, I'm gonna flatten this, make sure it is. I can send it through my self checkout kiosk that we have, and it's way cheaper because it just ships it by weight. And all the times I go to people, they demand it go a specific way, and it just costs me more money. I'm not trying to do all that, so I rather just go through the self check kiosk, being that it's a smaller package and everything. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're very excited. I would love, and I'm super excited to see what you guys comment below to enter. And yes, that's really it. I have some cute videos coming for you guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Get crafty.